Hello friends, colleagues, teachers and students. Welcome to my channel. Now I discuss one question from time, speed, distance and work. CAT previous year questions, CAT 2022 and CAT 2021. Let me share that question quickly. This is the question. One day Rahul started work at 9 a.m. This is question related to time and work. One day Rahul started work at 9 a.m. and Gautam joined him 2 hours later. 2 hours later, then the work together completed. Then worked together and completed the work at 5 p.m. the same day. So if both had started at 9 a.m. and worked together, the work would have been completed 30 minutes earlier. So working together, working alone, the time Rahul would have taken in hours to complete the work is okay. Here, let the efficiency of Rahul be small r. Let the efficiency of Gautam be small g. These are efficiencies. Rahul and Gautam, small r and small g. So when Rahul started work at 9 a.m., Rahul started work at 9 a.m. and Gautam joined him 2 hours later. Okay, then the work got together, then worked together and completed the work at 5 p.m. 9 a.m. to 5 p.m. Which is nothing but 6 hours. So efficiency into time, efficiency 6. Rahul efficiency is 9 to 5 is nothing but 9, 10, 12, 8 hours, not 6 hours. Mistaken. Please consider this mistake. Rahul, Rahul started at 9 a.m. and finished at 5 p.m. Therefore, 8 hours will be the duration of work. So Rahul worked for 8 hours. Efficiency into time plus Gautam joined him 2 hours later. So Gautam efficiency into time. So Gautam joined at around 11 a.m. So 11 to 5 it will be 6 hours. 6. This is equal to big W. Work is equal to efficiency into time plus efficiency into time. So we got the some part of the solution. If both had started at 9 a.m. So if both had started at 9 a.m. and worked together, the work would have been completed 30 minutes earlier. Earlier it was completed at around 5 p.m. Now half an hour means at around 4:30 p.m. 4:30 p.m. the work would have completed. So 9 to 4:30, actually 9 to 5 is how many hours? 8 hours. So minus half, 7.5 hours. 7.5 hours is nothing but 15 by 2. So 15 by 2 when Rahul and Gautam together work. So this is the equation. So 16 to move to left hand side. 16R plus 12G is equal to 15R plus 15G. So 15R, 16R, R is equal to 12G, 15G, 3G. So Rahul efficiency is 3 times that of Gautam efficiency. You can see that Rahul by Gautam is having a factor of efficiency ratio of 3:1. Now we can substitute anywhere in the equation. R into 8 plus G into 6, which is equal to when working alone, the Rahul would have taken in hours to complete the work is. So Rahul efficiency into time t. I repeat, work is equal to R8 plus G6 as mentioned here, which is equal to Rahul efficiency into time. Efficiency into time. Rahul alone working with an efficiency small r for a duration of t. So Rahul, in the place of Rahul you keep 3. This 3 can be kept in the place of Rahul efficiency. This 1 can be kept in the place of Gautam efficiency. So 3 into 8. 3 into 8 plus Gautam efficiency 1 into 6, which is equal to Rahul efficiency 3 into T. 3 8 is 24 plus 6 30. 30 is equal to 3T. From this we got T is equal to 30 by 3 is equal to 10 hours. So Rahul alone can complete the total work in 10 hours. Rahul alone can complete the work in 10 hours means Gautam will take 30 hours. Gautam efficiency is 1/3. Therefore, okay, working alone time of Rahul would have taken in hours to complete the work is 10 hours. So answer is option B. If you like my video, please like it. Please share my video. Please subscribe to my channel. Thank you. Thank you.